Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be opening an Adams Polishes mystery box. So, without further ado, let's open the box. So, I'm worried that something's going to be broken or busted because the FedEx delivery driver just dropped it on the ground. Got a lot of paper in here. Okay. Got lots of paper in it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I got some of Adams Polishes wheel and tire cleaner with the spray nozzle. Okay. We got Adams Polishes waterless wash. What is this? Ooh, I was wanting some of this. We have their graphene VRT. It is a trim restore, and I know the graphene stuff, it should make it super water repellent. Should make it super hydrophobic. We have one of their hexagon circle bumpy things, applicator pads. Let's move this out of the way for now. We have Adams Wash and Wax. And then we have Adams Polishes Ultra Plush Drying Powder. I want to open this just to see how big it is, because I've heard they're really large. So, let me open. First thoughts, it's very soft, and it's massive. Very large. Okay, now I gotta fold it. I don't know how I'm supposed to be folding this. Okay. Got it folded again. I folded it back up. So, let's look at everything I got. Okay, so, and I know a lot of their products have scents, so I want to see if any of these have scents. I know the wheel and tire cleaner doesn't have like an actual scent because I have used it before, but nothing else here I have used. The wheel and tire cleaner is the only thing I've ever used before. So yeah. It's really nice. It's soft and super squishy. And then the waterless wash, let's open this. Okay, we're gonna put the spray top in. I don't know what it smells like. It says sour citrus scent. Yeah, I knew it was like a citrusy smell, but I couldn't tell if it was like supposed to be like a specific citrus scent or like just supposed to have a slight citrus smell. And then this is supposed to smell like green apples. Oh wow, this smells really good. Again, it's the graphene VRT. I wonder if this has a smell. It just smells like foam. And then we have the wash and wax. Let's see, it doesn't say what scent it has. Ooh, it's like a mango scent. That's really nice. Okay. And then I don't know if this really has a scent, but let's just see. Yeah, no, it just smells like Windex. Okay. So, what we have is we have the Adams Ultra Plush Drying Towel, their wheel and tire cleaner. I just got a gallon of this a few days ago. And then we have, knock that on the ground. We have their applicator pad. I'm assuming they gave it for the VRT. We have I already said the wheel and tire cleaner. We have their wash and wax. We have their graphene VRT. And we have their waterless wash. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe, like, and share. You don't have to, but it would mean the world to me. Thanks, bye.